Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 books which I've been reading till now. So these are the best books, guys. I want to suggest each and every student who watching this video, you should give a try out reading this book, guys. So without much still let's get into video, guys. So even I have given link in description, guys, to buy this book. You can use that link and you can get these books on online, guys. So it's going to be helpful for you. Without much, let's get into video, guys. The first book I want to suggest is Alchemist, guys. So this is a big book, guys. So the author name is Paul Collin. So this book is based for the he just author connected between some kind of real life stories in real life from, guys. So if a person who just not know where to start your life, when to start your life, you just lagging behind the you are just lagging behind the what kind of things you do. You just need to give a try of reading book, guys. So in this book, the author covers all kind of aspects of the life using some real life problems. You can able to implement those things in your life, guys. So best part about the book is, guys, so even the author has a failure life stories, and guys, he just use all kind of experience in his book. He just combine all the things in this book, guys. So it's going to helpful for you. So even you can see here, guys, so author sold 61 million copies, guys. So best book, guys. So this it's all about dreams, guys. So life is depend on all dreams. So you just need to achieve all kind of dreams which have been under night. You just need to all focus on the dreams. You just need to work on it, guys. So the best book, guys. So if you're someone who does not know how to start, so what kind of dreams you want to pursue, what kind of goals you have in your life, this is the best book I would suggest you, guys. So you can go for it. So even the person who are studying school, those are watching this video as a student, like a school student, even you can go for it, guys. So the best book, guys. This is the first in my list. Moving on to the next one, guys. How to win friends and influence, guys. This is the best book for a person who want to start a career as CEO, as a founder, as a management, guys. So even I'm a shy kind of person, guys. I won't able to scold the people as much possible. So even I used to take time to get give inputs and outputs for the student, guys. So because of Think Book startup, so as recently I've been started a Think Book, guys. So if you're a follower of me, you might be knowing about me. If you're a new follower, do check out my Think Book video, guys. Link in icon, guys. So because of startup, I just find it difficult to difficult to treat the people equally, guys. So even some scenarios of people used to test our patience. As a founder, it's a responsibility to take care of the team, guys. So rather than I just had this book, guys. So fantastic book, guys. I just learned around 292 pages, guys. So I still have 10 more pages left, guys. So the best book, guys. So as a if you're a person who want to start your own venture, if you're looking for some kind of advice how to tackle those kind of situations, how to deal with friends, how to deal with companies, the best book, guys. Trust me, guys, you'll having a better life, guys. The second book I want to share with you, the third thing, guys, Richest Man of Babylon. So this book I would recommend only for the someone who does not know how to invest in money, who does not know value of money, who does not know where to invest, how to save the money. So for those kind of person, this book is suitable, guys. So a person who already know the value of money, then you can skip this book, guys. So a person I can say the person who does not even know worth of money, how to earn money, how to worthness of the earning money, then you can go for it, guys. Basically, this book is covering a man in Babylon. So he just it's like a kingdom book, guys. So he just covered this book. The author covered about the Babylon. There is a city called Babylon. So in a city there is a one person who just need to uses money for unnecessary thing, guys. So at the end of the day, he just loan as money. Earning money is not a simple thing, guys. So if such kind of person, you can go for it, guys. So even a beginner to financial, you can give it a try. Just around 90 rupees, I guess. You can buy it and you can give it a try, guys. The third book I want to recommend to you. The fourth book, guys, Think and Grow. Trust me, guys, the best book in my life till I had recently I've been sharing a lots of books. So it's the best book, guys. Why? Because in this author covered each and everything in your life, guys. So the amount of work which you're doing for your life is going to link between investment, guys. So each and every amount you're investing in your life is going to reflect in future, guys. So even the authors help you to narrating all kind of financial assets in this, how to invest in what I invest. So it's all about the investing in property, guys. So I feel as a not a college student, as a person, you just need to try it out this book, guys. So it cost I guess 200 rupees. So I know 200 rupees is not a big deal for a college student. Just buy this book, guys. So it's going to helpful for you for your betterment life, guys. Even one thing about book, guys. So this book got an award for the best internet seller, guys. So I feel if you want to have a freedom of your life, if you want to have a freedom of financial life, if you want to have a freedom of your own life, to want to live your life, then you can go for it, guys. The fourth thing I want to suggest with you. The fifth thing, guys, I don't know how many of you know about of subconscious minds. So whenever you're sleeping, you get some kind of bad dreams, you will getting some kind of ghost kind of dreams, you will getting some kind of good dreams. So it's all about the water things we take in subconscious, guys. So that's the thing I want to share with you guys. So whenever like if you have like good kind of subconscious, you have like good kind of people surrounding you, it just feeds this like a good inside of a subconscious mind, guys. So then only the person will be calling like they will be successful, guys. So if you don't have proper subconscious power, if you like lacking behind like taking implement good things, they're going to end up in failure, guys. This book is best, guys. So in this book, the author name is Joseph Murphy. So it just like cover like the power of subconscious mind, guys. So you might be thinking our mind is a main asset for life. It's not, it's a fake, guys. So the inner mind, inner heart is going to helpful for you, guys. So if you have like good value things in your inside your heart, inside of mind, that's going to lift it like good leading up, guys. So if you're feeling like some kind of selfish person, jealous person, then those kind of people like they might be having good life now, guys. I mean, future they will affect more, guys. So this book deals about the importance of subconscious mind, like how to deal with person, like how to think about thought process, how to make thought process, guys. So I feel like if a person like lagging behind the thinking process, if a person have a bad habits, like he always think about bad kind of things, then you can go for it, guys. So even the author like mention, I don't remember the chapter name, guys. He just like mention about your subconscious mind will be like predicting a future, guys. If you have good kind of thoughts running in your mind, you will be having bright future, guys. If not, you're going to end up in failure, guys. The fifth thing I want to share with you guys. So I just want to have this book, guys. So I don't know like available in market, I just bought this in my school days, so I guess 8th standard, guys. So it's a positive way, guys. So I don't know if it's available, right? So if possible, I'll link those skill link, because why I'm saying this book is, guys, so it had like 3 stories, I guess, 3 stories which connect between like our life to real life, guys. So author is like a very experienced person in his life. He just had like around like 5 to 6 failures in life. He just like intellect those kind of examples how to overcome those kind of things in your life, guys. So I don't think so this book available in the market. So it's been a old book, guys. So the best book, guys, compared to all this, the best book, the small pocket size. So I'll try to get link and post a link in description, guys. So if not, I'll try to make a PDF copy. If possible, if I get time, I'll just scan each and everything. I'll make a PDF copy. Let's see if I get time. These are the 5 books, guys. I want to share this with you. The last book optional, guys. If you want, you can go through. I'll give you link in description. You can go for, guys. But apart from all the fighting which I mentioned, those are the 5 books, guys. You just want to study as a college student, guys. I hope this video helps you, guys. If you want to make this kind of books, kind of related videos, do comment in the comments. I'll try to make video happen, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon.